Hi, video log number 50. I closed out my last video saying it was 48. It's not, I was kind of losing it that day, I guess. But this is actually video log number 50, and I don't have 11 days left up. I have 2 weeks. I'm actually just now finishing 1 month after having a total stimulus shoulder replacement. So today is a good day. I'm working on my mobility. I had a little bit of aching in there last night, but this is due to the fact that I need to have at least 6 weeks before bone starts to grow in there on that implant. There's a lot of things that I need to kind of be aware of that I'm being impatient with, I think. But in any case, I'm doing pretty good, and I don't know what I'm going to be able to get in on this video today. I'm off to town. I need to pick up a few things, and Miss Guy is sitting there, and since I don't have my sticks with me, she knows we're not going to go walking until we get back. I think the sun's supposed to come out later on this afternoon, and we'll do a walk-in then. But for now, I need to go pick up a whole bunch of mail. And of course, she'll be my sled dog all the way out. We'll go up and see how big Duluth Creek is. I think it's going to be going down. It didn't rain hardly at all. So it'll be a good drive to Fallbrook. And that's how we'll start the video today. Question always is, will Sky be back home when we get home, or will she get hooked up again? Bye, Sky. Well, I'm back from Fallbrook. I got my mail. I was unable to do my banking. For some reason, the bank said they were unable to do transactions. Call an 800 number, and then I wasn't the only one, so something's wrong with the bank. But that's okay. I got my mail and I got the packages that were delivered to me. One of those packages has to do with my gopher eradication. I used to buy these things called ammos. They're smoke bombs. They put them in the ground. They'll go and follow the gopher chamber and put them to sleep. But there are so many of them out there. And halfway through the season, I end up with them coming back. So I'm going to try something different this year. I tried it before. I'm not too sure how successful it was because they came back. But this time I'm going to put a whole bunch of them in there. I've got these things. Let's see. Here we go. They are Super Solar Sonic Rodent Repellent 4-pack. I'm putting 8 of them out there. I'm not too sure how well they are going to do, but we'll find out. My latest effort to deter gophers, probably way overkill. I put 8 of these Sonic things in here. These chairs are here because Sky likes to run through here and I'm trying to keep her from running through the garlic. This is a deterrent from Sky, and those are for gophers. And I bought 8 of these for the same price as I would buy a supply of these gopher gassers. And they worked out pretty good. So it's been really windy and I am going to be calling it a day. Thanks for watching the video. I will put another one on. Today was video log 50 and I do have 2 more weeks of before I make my 6 weeks in for a total, shoulder replacement rehab before I can really do anything with this shoulder. So that's about it for today. Thanks again for watching.